Hey guys, Steven here back with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to recreate the My Beautiful Dark Twisted Fantasy artwork. Its 9th year anniversary is today, so that's why I'm making the video. This is a very simple tutorial, so if you're just getting into artwork or you're a rapper or artist trying to make your own artwork, this is a very good, very simple tutorial for you. There's a lot of different variations of the cover art. I'm going to show you the censored version because it looks the best in my opinion, and I'm going to add a little twist to it just like my other tutorials where I cover artwork. So I'm going to make a Jesus is King styled beautiful dark twisted fantasy artwork. If you guys enjoy this video, hit that thumbs up button and let's get straight into it. So right here, we have a photo from like the IMAX movie. I didn't want to use the cover art because it's just so plain. So I'm going to use something that people will identify as Jesus is King, but not necessarily the cover. So you can choose whatever photo you want, obviously. I'm going to just copy it and I'm going to go into Photoshop right here. So I just put the cover art here just for reference, like how big the square should be and stuff like that. So I'm going to press Ctrl V and I'll paste. Now I'm going to resize it to make it like around the size of this. So I'm going to press Ctrl T. And then just drag it. So right about there. Now we're gonna center it. Now all you want to do is press filter, pixelate, and mosaic. And if you notice on the original cover, you still know what it is, but it's censored. You know, in a lot of videos where it's censored, you kind of know what it is. So you still want to make it distinguishable, but not too evident, obviously. So like something like this, you wouldn't know what the hell that is. That looks like a Minecraft torch. But here, like something like this, that's a little bit better, right? So now all you want to do is you want to hide this layer, and you just want to select or use the marquee tool, and you just want to sort of just select over the square right here just to know the size. Now you want to press on the layer again and press Control Copy, Control C, and press Control D to deselect, delete this, and press Control V, and it'll paste what you copied. There you go. Now all you need is to select a background color and a border color. So I'm gonna stick with yellow because I think yellow blue sort of fits. So you want to right click and press blending options, and then you want to go to stroke. Now just increase the stroke to like whatever amount sort of fits. It looks like it's a little round, like the corners. So what you might want to do instead is make like a square and put in the background. I think that might actually be better. So you could just do that pretty easily. Just go to rectangle tool, hold shift and drag, and that will create one. I'm just gonna center this real quick. So even this looks pretty cool, but I wanted the background to be blue, so this will have to be like yellow. We're gonna make it yellow. So we're gonna go to color overlay and we're gonna select yellow, not too harsh of a yellow, something like that. Now make a new layer and select your color on the color picker. I'm gonna make like a dark blue. Now press Alt Backspace and it'll fill in the background. And now all you need now is the parental advisory explicit content. So that's easy. You can search it up or you can just copy from the original, but parental advisory, and just find the correct one, and then you should, so it's the one with the, yeah, it's this one. So this one. Oh, why is it like that? This is not even a PNG. All right, so we're just gonna delete the top part. Wow, they're trying to scam me over here. All right, now we just want to resize this, so press Control T and just line it up with the original. I could have just cut out the original, honestly. Now you just want to make sure everything's centered, so select on the ones you want it centered, so the middle right here, the picture and the border. And then you want to press Control A, select on the move tool, and press on align horizontal centers and align vertical centers. And there you go. And then you can obviously try to change the color, see what looks better. Like, I think that looks better. There you go. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If it helped you out, hit that thumbs up button. My name is Steven, and I'll see you in the next one.